Womply, Blue Acorns, SBA, PPP loan. This is your latest and your greatest information as of today. My name is QUiNTiN Banks. I'm going to be your host. If you guys got any questions during this time or any time during this video, feel free to drop those comments and concerns below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. That way you guys are updated with the latest and the greatest information. Let's get right into it. Womply PPP, Capital Plus. My name is QUiNTiN Banks. We're going to get into all the information that you guys need. This is going to be your latest and the greatest information. That is why you guys want to make sure you guys like this video and subscribe. That way you guys are updated with the latest and greatest information. If you guys don't know, I am still hosting that giveaway at the end of the month. If you guys want to be entered, feel free to say just enter me in the contest. I'll enter you in the giveaway, I should say. Not a contest, it's a giveaway. And like I mentioned in the other video, I'll be picking a lucky subscriber, and I'll do a Cash App or a PayPal or whatever the case may be. Now, if you guys are using Capital Plus or Womply, guys, let me know in the comment section what exactly is going on. A lot of people were stating they have been getting updates in their emails, so that's the best way to actually to determine exactly what's going on. Check your email, try to get in contact with Womply or whoever you are using. If you guys got any further questions, as I always say, you can drop the comments below, but then you can also go to my channel and you guys will actually see a playlist with all those updates, and those updates will keep you guys updated. Now let's get right to this, because this was a member on my channel, and then we'll get into some of the comments. They began to say, okay, they kind of blocked out what they said, but this is what I believe this is Womply. They said, I am really sorry at the moment with this round on PPP loans. We are taking care of thousands of applicants and we were set back a little bit. However, we are actively working on having all customer funds processed ASAP. Please bear with us a little more and we will take care of your application. And they said, yes, the SBA did recently announce that this round of PPP funding has run out of available funds. But don't worry, you've already received an SBA number, and even though your funds have yet to be distributed, they are guaranteed to you. This person began to say, sigh, okay, thank you, I pray soon, because blah, blah, blah. Now, it does look like if you were in the system and you received an SBA number, you are in good hands. You don't have to actually worry about either trying to reapply or, contacting Womply or whoever or how they're doing it. I do know they're doing it by batches. But yeah, let's get into some of these comments. Somebody said, thank you for your post. I have some hope now. God bless. Somebody began to say, I started my application on the same exact day and I was funded 2.5 weeks ago for my first draw, but now my second draw is just stuck in secondary review. Somebody said, I had Capital Plus, the Womply was approved and then disappeared. Been waiting. I started my app 23rd. Nothing yet. Somebody began to say mine's disappeared. Also been approved 5/21. Signed everything 5/18. Still stuck on SBA approved. Lender processing PN note when I have been signed. But if you check PPP loan list on internet, and if you're there, then you good. It's just a waiting game. PPP loan list on the internet. How do I go by doing this? They put a link there if you guys want to check that out. They begin to say thank you for the link. I just checked mine and it shows my first one was sent, which it was, and my second one shows it's approved and shows and dispersed amount and my loan number. So does this mean I will eventually get funded? Does it say undispersed amount? Yeah. Is it zero or your loan amount? It's my loan amount. It say undispersed and has my loan amount under it, and it's not zero. When the money sent, it should say undispersed 0. Now, if anybody else is going through this problem, as I always say, man, drop the comments below. Let me know. Somebody began to say, please, I got my first loan and have signed first document for my second draw 3 weeks ago and have been waiting on promissory note. What hope do I have, please? They said, thanks for the help. Search Google PPP loan list and enter your name. No, somebody said no, the internet. Google PPP loan list. Somebody said we in the same boat. I've been had my SBA approval number since the 20th of April. Hope everything is good. Little sign of relief. Big sigh of relief. for sure. Finding businesses that receive loans. Okay. Thanks for the update. As you guys already know, man, I'm going to keep everybody updated with the latest and greatest information. I try to just keep everybody updated and try to help everybody that I can. I know a lot of people have been having tons and lots of questions about this, and especially this and the stimulus checks and stuff like that. So I try to keep everybody updated. As I always say, man, I got this. A lot of people have Chime as well. Now, if you guys have Chime, feel free. I'll actually pin the playlist with the Chime update on there, and then the Chime, Womply, Blue Acorns, Capital Plus, because a lot of people were stating that the Capital Plus link directed them to Blue Acorn. Now, I don't know if there's some type of they're working together on this or what that case may be, but the best thing you guys can do is check your emails, guys. Try to log into these applications. I know a lot of people are trying to log into Womply, I believe. So just try to log into Womply, Blue Acorns, and see if what exactly you can do to try to get an update. Now, since it was the weekend a couple days ago, I do believe a lot of things are running slower. What I mean? You just gotta pretty much wait it out, and I totally understand. Having to wait 5 days, 10 days, 20 days, but it's just at the end of the day, it's only going to benefit you just to be patient. And everybody's going through that, so you're not the only one. So hopefully, just don't look at it like that, and just look at it like everybody's going through this. Everybody's, trying to wait or waiting on something. So that's just the best thing that you can do at this point in time is just wait. Somebody said, how long ago did you get SBA approved? 2 weeks for me. They said 5/21. Capital Plus and Blue Acorn are sister companies. Womply don't have anything to do with them. Blue Acorn has always had Capital Plus because they are the same entity. Womply is looking for new lenders. Okay, so that explains it. According to you guys, they are a sister company. So that explains it right there. As far as why those are linked up, that explains it. Go to Capital Plus webpage and scroll down. Go to Capital Plus webpage. Yeah, so it looks like all that good stuff still there. No, listen, I put in search bar for information. I searched Womply Capital Plus loans, and it directed me to Capital Plus page. Then an option on there was a ticket or question asked about Womply Capital Plus, and I did that, and it went to BA page for a live chat. Now that's another thing that you guys can actually do is wait for the what should I say? Wait for your email, but a lot of people was getting redirected to that as well. So so I was trying to see was there any other information up there, but it looks like everything was up there. Boom, boom. All right. But yeah, guys, it looks like everything is there. If you guys got questions, as I always say, feel free to drop those questions and concerns below. I'll try to scroll down and keep some of these but some of these comments up. That way a lot of you guys can see those comments. And like I said, everybody's going through this, for the most part, if you are still waiting, I should say. Now, a lot of people is actually having trouble with their bank statements. So if you guys got any help for the people that's, like I said, stuck on those bank statements, feel free to drop those statements below as well.